Hello and welcome to Storeino. Today we will see one of our features, which is stock management. So after you log into your store, go and click on products, then you will see under products stock management. This feature will allow us to manage our stock easily. So you will see all the products that you have been added to your store. You will see here the product name, as you see in the blue color, and the sale price, the compare price, the buying price. The sale price is the price that you are selling for this product in your store. The compare price is the old price of your product. Then the buying price is the price that you have bought this product for. As you see, for example, if you take this iPhone 11 Pro as an example, if you click on Show Store and go to this product, you will see $699 is the sale price and $800 is the compare price, but the buying price is not showing in the front end of the store. After that, the supplier, you can change the supplier easily by just clicking on this arrow and choose your supplier like this. After that, the quantity in stock and the quantity transporting. Now the quantity in stock is the quantity that you have in your stock right now, and the quantity transporting is the quantity or the number of products that are now in the process of delivery. That is the difference between quantity transporting and quantity in stock. After that, you can easily save these settings right here. Either you change the sale price or the compare price. After you change the settings, click on this button to save it and click on confirm. I hope everything is clear for you. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us either via our social media or just leave us your question in the comments below. Thank you for watching.